Welcome to this lesson on the Triangle Sum Theorem. Today, we are going to explore one of the most fundamental and useful rules in geometry: why the angles inside a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. First, let us define what we are talking about. Interior angles are the angles located inside the shape, at each of the three corners or vertices. Every single triangle, no matter its shape or size, has exactly three interior angles. Here they are labeled A, B, and C. The Triangle Sum Theorem states a simple but powerful fact. The sum of the interior angles of any triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. In mathematical terms, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. This rule applies to all triangles, whether they are acute, obtuse, or right-angled. Here is a great way to visualize why this is true. Imagine you cut off the three corners of a paper triangle. If you arrange those corners so that their points touch, they will form a perfectly straight line. In geometry, a straight line measures 180 degrees. This visually proves that the three angles combined make a straight angle. Let us use this theorem to solve a problem. Suppose we have a triangle where angle A is 70 degrees and angle B is 50 degrees. We need to find the missing angle. X, we start with our formula. All angles add to 180. So, 70 plus 50 plus x equals 180. Simplifying that, 120 plus x equals 180. Subtracting 120 from both sides tells us that x is 60 degrees. Sometimes you might see a triangle with a small square symbol in the corner. This symbol indicates a right angle, which always measures 90 degrees, even if the number is not written out. In this example, we have a 90-degree angle and a 40-degree angle. Adding them gives 130. To find y, we subtract 130 from 180, which gives us 50 degrees. An equilateral triangle is a special case where all three sides are the same length. Because the sides are equal, all three angles must also be equal. If we divide the total sum of 180 degrees by 3, we get 60. Therefore, in every equilateral triangle, each angle measures exactly 60 degrees. Why is this important in the real world? This theorem is the foundation of trigonometry, used every day in navigation and GPS technology to pinpoint locations using satellites. It is also critical in architecture and construction, ensuring that roof trusses and support beams are cut at the correct angles to be stable and safe. To summarize, remember these key points. The interior angles of any triangle always add up to 180 degrees. You can find any missing angle by subtracting the known angles from 180. Watch out for the square symbol meaning 90 degrees, and remember that equilateral triangles always have 60-degree angles.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.